Hi, first grade. Here is the optional math challenge for this week. As always, if you want to check it out and give it a try, feel free. If it doesn't fit in your schedule this week, no problem either. Okay, so when you click on Add Response from Seesaw, it will bring you to this page that you see here, and you can tap on the link, and it's going to take you to a game. So let's open the link. And okay, here we are. So it's called Hit the Button. And what you're going to do is click on the one that says Number Bonds. It's in green. So you'll tap Number Bonds. And then over here where it says up to 100, you could choose either the first one that says Make 100 and then it says tens next to it, or if you're really looking for a challenge, you could tap on the one that says Make 100. So let me show you what the game is. So I'm going to tap on Make 100 tens. So you'll see a number up at the top, and then you have to tap on, you'll see a number at the top, and then you'll have to tap on the other number down below that matches to Make 100 with a number at the top. Let me show you. Okay, so here we see there is 50 at the top, so I'm looking for the other number here that would match with 50 to make 100, and that's 50. And you keep going, and you just try to get as many as you can in the amount of time. Okay, and then it will tell you, when time is up. If you want to try to play again and try to beat your score, that's, you can certainly do that and play again. If you want to check out the more challenging one, you click Menu, you can go back to the menu, and if you choose Make 100, it's going to be numbers that are not just what we call multiples of 10. So you can see they are numbers that have both tens and ones. So this is a little bit more challenging, but you could do the same thing to try to make the match to make 100. So as you can see, so that is the math challenge for this week. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you give it a try. And if not, again, remember, no problem either way. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great week.